Hi, this is Mobile Max. This is a 95 Mercedes SL 500. Nice car. Used to be the be-all luxury car back in the 80s and 90s. He has the ABS and ASR, which is the traction control light that went on. That's why he's here. It's a V8 engine, big, heavy car. Nice luxury car. Big V8 engine. It's got 108,000 miles on it. Big V8 engine. There it is. Big engine. Anyway, I gotta fix the engine. Seems nice and smooth. I'll check the oil. Nice luxury car. Heavy car, heavy. Big heavy car. I guess they're back in style or something. Hey, this is Mobile Max. This is a 95 Mercedes 500 SL 500, and he's got ABS, ASR traction control warning light on. Also the check engine lights. Thank you.